Solar eclipse is an event when the moon passes between the Earth and the Sun, blocking either the full or partial sunlight from reaching the Earth. This celestial event occurs only during the new moon phase when the three celestial bodies, Earth, Moon, and Sun, are aligned in a straight line. When the moon completely covers the Sun, it is called a total solar eclipse, resulting in a shadow cast on the Earth. The corona, outer atmosphere of the Sun, appears bright like a halo around the dark silhouette of the moon. Total solar eclipses are usually awe-inspiring and can only be observed from specific locations. When only a portion of the Sun is obscured by the moon, it is called a partial solar eclipse. A section of the Sun is covered in darkness, creating a crescent or annular shape on its surface. Partial solar eclipses are less dramatic than total solar eclipses, but they receive more prominence and can be observed from a larger geographic area. When the moon covers the central part of the Sun, the outer edges of the Sun appear as a ring or annulus. This happens because the moon is relatively far from the Earth, and its reflection is not large enough to completely block the Sun. Annular solar eclipses are less common than partial solar eclipses, but more significant than partial solar eclipses. Frequency: solar eclipses occur at certain intervals but are visible from specific locations during any event. Path of totality: the path where a total solar eclipse is visible is called the
air resistance or atmospheric effects does not have a significant impact on the occurrence or observation of a solar eclipse. A solar eclipse is primarily influenced by the positions and alignments of the Earth, Moon, and Sun. The key factors affecting a solar eclipse are celestial alignment. Solar eclipses occur when the moon comes between the Earth and the Sun, blocking the Sun's light. The alignment of these celestial bodies determines the type of solar eclipse, total, partial, or annular, and its visibility from specific regions on Earth. Path of totality: the path where a total solar eclipse is visible, known as the path of totality, depends on the precise alignment of the Sun, Moon, and Earth. Air resistance in the Earth's atmosphere is not a significant factor in this alignment. Solar eclipse duration: the duration of a solar eclipse is influenced by factors such as the relative distances between the Earth, Moon, and Sun. The Earth's atmosphere does have a slight effect on the duration, but it is not a primary consideration. While air resistance does exist in Earth's atmosphere and affects the motion of objects, its impact on the celestial mechanics of a solar eclipse is minimal. Solar eclipses are predictable events based on the orbits and positions of celestial bodies, and their occurrence is not significantly influenced by atmospheric conditions. However, atmospheric conditions can affect the visibility of a solar eclipse from specific locations on Earth. Clear skies are essential for observers to witness and enjoy the celestial event.
Have you ever pondered whether the celestial dance of the Earth, Moon, and Sun during a lunar eclipse holds any sway over us humans? It's a question as old as humanity itself, stirring our curiosity and sparking countless myths and legends. As we delve into the mysteries of lunar eclipses, remember that they are not simply otherworldly phenomena. They are a testament to the intricate ballet of celestial bodies. A lunar eclipse happens when the Earth positions itself between the Sun and the Moon, casting its shadow on the Moon. It's a spectacle that unfolds in the vast theater of the cosmos, a sight that has fascinated mankind for eons. So, how does this celestial event influence us, the spectators on Earth? To uncover that, we need to dip our toes into the pool of science and folklore alike. From a purely scientific standpoint, lunar eclipses have no physical impact on us. Contrary to popular belief, they don't sway tides more than usual, nor do they affect human behavior directly. Our bodies don't feel the transition of the Earth's shadow over the moon, and our daily life goes on unperturbed. However, the psychological and cultural significance of lunar eclipses is a different story. The awe-inspiring spectacle of an eclipse can stir deep emotions and thoughts. In many cultures, eclipses are seen as powerful omens, influencing human actions and beliefs. So, while the dance of shadows during a lunar eclipse might not physically touch us, it can certainly move us in profound ways. In summary, a lunar eclipse is a celestial event where the Earth casts its shadow on the Moon. From a scientific perspective, it doesn't have any direct physical impact on human beings. However, the spectacle of an eclipse can hold deep psychological and cultural significance, influencing human emotions, thoughts, and actions. So while the shadows of a lunar eclipse might not physically alter our world, they can certainly leave a lasting impression on our minds and hearts, and therein lies the beauty of lunar eclipses. They remind us of our place in the cosmos, invite us to marvel at the wonders of the universe, and inspire us to question, explore, and understand the world around us. After all, isn't that what makes us human in the first place?